Yeah, welcome to the ED Festival 2021. It's day two, and we are enjoying so many university sessions who are telling us to apply to the top universities in Canada and USA. I hope you guys are enjoying just as much as I am. And if I had another chance, I would go for my master's or my PhD now. We have we have a wonderful university session coming up next with Trebus Institute, and I'll tell you a little bit about the university and then invite our esteemed guest. Trebus is situated in downtown Montreal, Quebec. Trebus Institute has been nurturing and developing leaders since 1979. At Trebus Institute, you can choose from a vast portfolio in music, film, business and technology, as well as a number of management programs, all of which are kept up to date to reflect demands of the current job market. It is situated in Montreal, a metropolitan student destination, which is multicultural and a very, very vibrant city. Programs are accredited and all of them are delivered in English, so you needn't worry about learning French and all. Though, of course, if you know French, it is a plus. They have affordable tuition fees and scholarships, a lifetime career services guidance, work permits, and then all are eligible post-graduation, and an access to industry equipment, sign-out labs, recording and post-production studios, audio and filmmaking equipment. So, of course, all the classrooms are well equipped, and they have a student lounge and much, much more as well. Something about the strong alumni network, they have 3,000 students spread in 40 countries. And notable alumni include Grammy award-winning music producer Mike Piersante. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Music producer.
No, you're correct.
Okay. Music producer Jeremy Harding and Megadeth singer and guitarist Dave Mustaine. The intakes include July, September, January, and April, and programs are audio and video post-production, e-commerce, and online business management. For more information, of course, we'll invite the wonderful Anam Khan, the Business Development Manager for Trebus. Over to you, Anam.
Thank you so much, Masuma. So guys, this is Anam Khan representing Trebus Institute in Pakistan. I would like to share my slides quickly now. And just give me a minute. Masuma, please confirm once you can see my slides.
Yes, I can see now, Anam.
Sure. Okay, so Trebus Institute is located in the downtown of Montreal. We share two campuses, but currently we are recruiting students for Montreal campus. And our both programs are eligible for a post-study work permit as well. So looking into Trebus Institute, since it's in the downtown of Montreal, it's very easy for students to access business hubs, shopping centers, transport, subway system, and we also share strong alumni network along with the powered renowned industry experts, giving our students a competitive edge. And if we talk about career services department, we provide facilities to our students from day one, and it's a lifetime commitment with students to provide career services. We have all programs related to media and post-production programs, but currently we are promoting majorly audio and video post-production program and e-commerce and online business management. Both programs are accredited by Quebec government English. These are the two major programs we are offering, e-commerce and online business management program. These both programs are for 2 years. Each diploma is providing up to 3 years of work permit. If I quickly look into the tuition fee, so e-commerce and online business management has like 1 year tuition fees approximately 14,000 Canadian dollar, and we are offering $2,000 scholarship for each student for each year. So technically, we'll be offering $4,000 scholarship on 28,000 of Canadian tuition fee. That is for 2 years. And audio and video post-production is $16,000 Canadian. For 2,000 each year scholarship will be provided to the Pakistani students, and these are the work criteria. So 20 hours you can work off campus and full-time or during your scheduled breaks, but three things are mandatory for you to be eligible for work permit. One is the full-time student. Second is your full study permit. Definitely you'll be having that once you'll be there. And third thing is, that is the mandatory thing, that is your grades. Grades are very important. You should maintain at least your average standard towards to keep working throughout Canada. So if we these are the things I wanted to highlight. Masuma, if you have any questions, so we can quickly review that.
Yes, thank you, Anam. I hope we didn't rush you because, you took us through the presentation. It was comprehensive yet to the point. Thank you so much for making it breezy. Yes, we do have a few questions. The students are always curious to know about some success stories. So, I shared some, you've shared some as well, but anyone you think is more recent and you want to share how life-changing studying at Trebas can be?
Okay, so it's for students, it's not only the institute, it's the environment as well. So Montreal is a really dynamic culture, right? Plays are for artists, for nature, and many more. Secondly, I would say that Trebas students will be recruited within the 6 months of after completing the diploma program. That is a very plus point. And then we are also partner with many known companies like Ubisoft is there, and then Sony Music is there. These are the major things. You guys can go to the website as well. You can explore the industry partners as also. So I think these are the major things students really wanted to know that. Plus, I would like to add, their subway system is very strong. So you can also you can explore entire city. Plus, it's a few US major cities are very nearby to Montreal, like Boston is there, New York City is very nearby, Washington DC is also nearby. Then Toronto and Ottawa is also nearby to Montreal. So it's very easy for students to or other places. Then when it comes to they share approximately 120 festivals throughout the year, which is an amazing thing.
Thank you so much, Anam. The 120 festivals seems mouth-watering and so much fun.
Yeah.
So my last question to you, Anam, is if you could let us know a little bit about the faculty.
Okay. So, so entire faculty is also working within the industry. So student can also have the hands-on experience within with their professors. Sitting back in the campus, they can get a hold of industry members as well. Right. So that is also a plus point when it comes towards recruiting students, recruitment process.
Thank you so much, Anam. So, just for better visibility and trying to assist Anam in answering that question the student posed forward. So how it helps is because there are deep academia and, industry linkages. And because the faculty members are, renowned names in the industry. And when you're doing internships and projects and studying from them, then you have this networking that at the time of your graduation, they can advise you better. And if there are vacancies in their organizations, you can apply to them as well. I hope that answers your question. Which brings us to the end of our session. Thank you so much, Anam, for taking out time for the session. And thank you, participants, for logging on and being a part of ED Festival 2021. We'll sign off now and hope to see you in the other upcoming sessions as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.